In this video, I want to talk about how you can affiliate in Shein. Now to do this, you want to use the mobile app, and then on the mobile app, you just want to Google Shein affiliate program. Now you can see here, you can also search for it on your PC, and then you have to scan the QR code on your phone. Now if I click start earning, you'll be able to see this is only accessible on your mobile device. So make sure you do it from your mobile, and once you've done this, you will be able to get access. It says here, please search for affiliate in the Shein app to access. So just do this or scan the QR code, and once you're in there, you will now have to sign up. Just sign up with any of your social medias. If you're eligible, you will get accepted, and then you will have a unique code that you can share to your following or your friends or whatever, and then you'll be able to earn commissions whenever you invite these places and they make orders. So that is basically how it works. It will show you here how you can sign up, search for it in here, and just click there and affiliate. These are the two ways, or you can find the QR code. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.